Hi, I am Ranjini Ramachandran. I am a disciple of Kashinath Shankar Bodarji from Kanpur, Srimati Veena Sahasrabudhe from Pune, and I spent about 5 years at the ITC Sangeet Research Academy under Pandit Ullas Kasharkar. My first 2 commercial CDs have been produced and released by Sonic Octaves, and of course I'm very thankful and appreciative of the fact that the company took interest in my talent and went ahead with producing and releasing my CDs. Of course, I didn't have to incur any cost, whether it was recording or production or even post-production costs. I think Sonic Octaves as a company is a very artist-friendly company, and what I like about this particular music company is, a noteworthy aspect which I feel is worth mentioning is that it mainly focuses on younger artists and also lesser known artists basically, and by not only producing and releasing CDs but also providing a platform for the artists to showcase their talent. I've had very good experience with the company, and I also feel that having a commercial CD does make a big difference in the visibility of an artist, because I think your product reaches to a very wide range and group of people. When I was approached by Sonic Octaves, I was quite enthusiastic about being associated with this organization, mainly because the person who heads this company, Rajendra Vaishampayan, I kind of knew him also, but more importantly, he is an accomplished musician in his own right. So I think that really gave an edge and increased the comfort level that I had with this company and in dealing with the company. So there was absolutely no sense of hesitation from my side to get on with the project. Another aspect of Sonic Octaves is concerning the post-production quality of the CDs. After the CDs were recorded, when I went to the studio, and the fact that Rajendra ji is a musician helped a lot and made editing much simpler, because basically he could understand the nuances of the intricate aspects of music much better than any other sound recordist would have understood. So I think this was an added advantage with the company that I had. I also think I'm very happy with the transparency that the company has in their financial dealings with their artists. There has been absolutely no problem regarding that, and I think it's a matter, it's an aspect which is pretty laudable from my point of view. I'm very happy with my association with Sonic Octaves so far, and the good part is they maintain a constant link with their artists, and I would definitely encourage other new artists to collaborate with this company, and highly recommend the collaboration because of the experiences that I have had so far have been really good, as you just heard. And I wish success for the company for many more years to come.